Hey, are you thinking about moving to Palatine?
We've got an awesome video for you today about a lot of the hidden secrets, the beauty of Palatine.
So welcome to Move to Chicago Suburbs. Today we're featuring Palatine, Illinois.
Stay tuned.
Let's get started. Hey, so if you're considering moving to Palatine, Illinois,
And you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, you're going to want to stay tuned.
yeah, so welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about Palatine, real estate statistics, neighborhood values, school ratings, beautiful parks and recreation in Palatine.
How to keep those kids tired, active, and educated. So stay tuned. We got a good one.
Let's get started. So hey, we're just on Palatine Road. We're just past the train tracks. We're off Plum Grove here. We're gonna stop by at Dirty Nelly's. This is like a staple bar here, downtown Palatine, and we're gonna show you the metro stop.
Where the beer is cold and the people are friendly.
Yeah, so if you're looking for a fun spot, if you want to move to Palatine, if you're living in Chicago, you can always take Metro. Stop here in Palatine, go to the local bars. They're just right off the train station. And then, Chicago Bears are going to be building the stadium with the entertainment center right over there too. So there's going to be a lot of fun things to do around Palatine in near future.
Mike, that's a great point. You guys want to start checking out these towns, just jump on the train. It's, get off at a different stop and see which one jumps out at you.
Yeah, compare Mount Prospect, Arlington Heights, Des Plaines, and even go a little bit further to like Palatine.
Yeah, it's a great idea.
So right now we're in a metro stop downtown Palatine, right? So big thing about our show is we're trying to show you communities that are easy accessible by metro or the highway.
That's right.
Yeah, so if you're still thinking about moving from the city, but you want to keep your job in the city, you might take the metro stop all the way in every morning.
That's right. You're not on an island. You can get into the city, whether it's just to get your fix and go out and have some good times, or if you are required to go into work, you can absolutely not have to buy that vehicle that you might not have. Get in and get out of the city right here on the metro.
Right, and the beautiful thing about Palatine too, you're close to I-90, Route 53, Route 14 goes right through. So there's a lot of different communication corridors that you can use to still live here and comfortably commute.
Yeah, it's again one of those towns that's centrally located and it's going to get you easy access in and out.
So the same metro line will take you through Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Arlington Heights. You're going to go right next to the new Chicago Bears Stadium. You're going to end up in Palatine. If you want to travel further west, you're going to go to Barrington or Cary.
That's right. Well, stay tuned and we'll show you just a little bit more here of Palatine.
So right now we're in a Twin Lakes recreational area. This is two beautiful lakes.
Yeah, this is very recognizable off of 355 and Route 53, right?
Yeah.
You're going to see two large bodies of water, but what's also here is one of the top 3 executive golf courses in Cook County. They even have it on the website that you could play this in an hour and a half. So if you're looking to just come enjoy the weather, get a quick meeting in and not take the whole day, you can either come here, do some golf. They have volleyball. They have a large playground for the kids.
And I bring my kids here for paddle boards or kayaks, So if you like fishing, you can go around the other lake over there, do some fishing, or go on a little kayak and fish from in the middle of the lake.
Yeah, just make sure that when you come here, if you're going to fish, you can get a daily permit or a seasonal permit, but they do require a permit.
So one of the big pros of living in Palatine, right? There's a lot of different companies that have their shipping yards here.
Yep.
Or sorting centers. Like you see behind us, Amazon, right?
Monster.
Right, there's a big company here that made investment into Palatine.
Yep.
Also, UPS is their big transport facility here too.
Yeah, so these huge corporations that you know of very well have made an investment here in Palatine. That also means that there's going to be plenty of jobs. We know that whether it's seasonal or something that's more full-time, there's always going to be a need for help at these locations.
Right. So right now Amazon is hiring. They're giving a $2,000 bonus. You can sometimes find like a seasonal job here for Christmas or any high traffic delivery area times, right? Yeah. And then if you're like shopping in Amazon a lot, you're gonna get your packages a lot quicker because the sorting facility is here. So all the packages coming from O'Hare, they're usually gonna come here and then they get distributed to the local residences.
We give it a 5-star review, and we think you will too.
So fun fact about Palatine, there's a big UPS station right here, UPS base in Palatine. So if you're shopping at Amazon a lot, the packages are going to probably arrive a lot quicker because they have a lot of trucks going in and out of Palatine.
That's true.
And also, if you're looking for career opportunities, they're hiring all the time. So you might get a seasonal job, right, or a full-time employment at the UPS, which is one of the bigger employers here in Palatine.
And maybe you want to transfer. Palatine's going to get you in close proximity to your job if you're at UPS. So Fun fact. All right, Mike, we're here at Fremd High School. This is the more sought-after high school in Palatine. Tell us a little bit more of the specifics.
Correct. So this one is rated 7 out of 10 on greatschools.org. It's also rated A+ on niche.com, and it's a 14th best high school ever, like 704 rated, right? So it's a very desirable school. A lot of people reach out, when they initially reach out, moving to Palatine, they want to start in the Fremd High School district. The home values are going to be a little bit higher, but again, this is a great school, great education for your children, and you have amazing sports facilities as well.
Yeah, I love to highlight those. Again, it's always really great to have kids be excited about playing on the facilities that are at the high school, right? So anyway, they've done a great job here, and that's something that your property taxes are going to go towards, so it's nice to see them in action here for the kids.
Awesome, and it's a cool fun fact. District 211, right? They're in a big drama over the Chicago Bears Stadium, right? And proposed assessed values. So they started this website called suburbanstadium.com. If you want to go check it out, they're going to give you a little bit more information about the fight with the Chicago Bears and the assessor's office regarding the money that's going to be going towards the school district here.
Hey, another fun fact, Mr. Zapart.
All right, so in Palatine, you're going to have 2 major high schools. South area is going to be covered by William Fremd High School.
And Fremd is actually 7 out of 10 on greatschools.org, so another great school system.
Right, and then if you move to Palatine a little bit further north, that section is going to be considered going into Palatine High School.
And that's also rated 6 out of 10 on greatschools.org.
Right, so there's a slight difference in property values. Your homes in Fremd High School are going to sell a little bit quicker for a little bit more money than Palatine.
Yeah, it's definitely a sought-after area of the town, and gets an A+ rating on niche.com, while Palatine High School gets the A rating on niche.com, so slightly less.
And I also think there's a slight difference in the graduation rates between the 2 high schools.
Yeah, at Fremd, they have a 98% graduation rate, which is very good, and also Palatine at 92. But like you said, Mike, there's a difference there, 6% graduation rate.
Right. So like a lot of clients that reach out to me if they're looking for homes, Fremd High School is going to be their top choice. Also, that area is going to be a little bit closer to Schaumburg Entertainment, right? The Chicago Bears Stadium. So definitely reach out. I will show you where the boundary lies, and there's some great options in the Palatine district as well.
All right.
So right now we're in Palatine, Fremd High School. I want to show you one of my clients. They moved from Des Plaines area. They bought this beautiful home for $640,000 about 2 years ago. If you're interested, there's some nice larger homes in this section, and they're still pretty affordable too.
Yeah, we worked together on that deal. We were able to get the financing secured for them, and again, we're able to tailor fit something that is right for everybody. So don't hesitate to reach out, and we can get you what you can expect to pay on a monthly basis for these homes.
And this is a great section. Every time I talk to them, they really love the neighborhood. Their mom moved from Morton Grove here a couple months ago because she just wanted to be in this section as well. So I highly recommend it.
So here at Harper College, they have their own business district of sorts. They have a dental clinic. They have an outpatient center. They have the bike repair shop right off the bike path. How cool is that?
Right, once I popped the tire and I had to walk like 10 miles home, right? So I think having a bike repair place would be pretty nice.
It's
right?
Genius. I don't know that I've seen one of those before. So again, cool campus, and if you want something a little different, come and check out the dental clinic. Maybe you can get your dental work done here. All right, so like usually at these dental clinics, they have students that are practicing, dentistry, right? Mm-hmm. So if you don't have insurance or you want to just test your luck, you can typically come to these types of clinics and get dental work done for a lot cheaper. And that's, sometimes, heck, you're getting a root canal and a crown, you're talking thousands of dollars. I would, we can get some more information on it, but those types of places are always looking for somebody to be a patient, if you will, and you'll definitely get that at a discounted cost. So something to check out.
So definitely a cool campus over here on Harper College.
All right, we're here in Harper College in Palatine, and we're with Aiden. Aiden is a new student here at Harper College. Where were you at, and why did you come to Harper College?
So I graduated from John Hersey High School.
Okay.
I came to Harper College because the credits are transferable to all the in-state universities, which makes it a great option, especially because I was looking to save money and stay in the house, not move out early, you know, get to stay with the parents a little longer. I get to stay near my friends.
Everybody wins in this situation.
I'm saving money. Instead of paying $20,000, I'm paying $2,000 a semester for tuition. And it's also a great school. It's a good college to go to. The classes, you have a lot of flexibility in the time and the classes and the electives. I mean, it's just like all around, it seemed like the best option for me.
So what are you excited most about coming here to Harper College?
I'm excited about the degree in the business management. I'm excited for the classes, you know, and I'm really glad to get the opportunity to take these basic classes at a discounted cost and at home, not having to move away from everything I know. So
hey, I did the same thing when it came to college. So if you're looking to save some money, if you don't, maybe you don't even know exactly what you want to do, or you know what you want to do and you just want to spend half the amount of money the first couple of years, these community colleges are a great option. Harper College here, great campus, obviously drawing people in to become students, and it's great place to meet other people that are making those same decisions. So check out Harper College, be like Aiden, come down here and get your school on for half the cost.
So one of the things we always want to talk about is real estate and real estate values. So average home price in Palatine is about $353,000. But one of the things I love about Palatine, you have a lot of different options, you know, from beautiful row homes to luxury single-family homes to little affordable, smaller condos. So if you're an investor, you're just starting out, you can get your first opportunity here right in Palatine.
Yeah, even on the rental market, the average rental is just under $2,500 a month. So if you're looking to get into a rental for a very short term, there's options here for you. There's also home ownership options that can get you into that property, you being the owner and paying off your own mortgage. And we could talk to you about that and getting that payment maybe even under $2,500.
Right, or if you're interested in multi-unit buildings, Palatine has a lot of those. I remember my family, when they started, my grandma purchased a first 6-unit building right here in Palatine, so I had to learn how to manage and repaint the stuff, but you can invest in Palatine. The market is increasing here. Chicago Bears are coming, and I think it's one of those neighborhoods that's going to increase in value.
But Mike is proof in the pudding. Just just get involved, right? Just maybe Palatine, if you haven't had any experience in the real estate market, might be a great spot for you. Maybe jump on the train, check out Palatine, give us a call with any other questions that you might have. We're here to help. Once again, we appreciate you tuning in to learn everything that there is about Palatine. We hope you found this video very informative.
And if you're considering moving to Palatine or any other Northwest suburbs, just reach out to our team. There's a link below. Contact us. We'll show you differences between different neighborhoods, and we'll show you all the statistics, all the school boundary maps, flood zones, neighborhood values, safety ratings. We're here to make your transition a little bit easier.
Even to let you know what you can expect from a monthly payment on those houses that you desire. So stay tuned next time, and we appreciate you tuning in this time. Don't keep us a secret. Please refer family, friends, this link, and tune in for the next video.
Yeah, subscribe for future content about moving to Chicago suburbs.
See you soon.